In this video, you'll learn how to install the Udemy app on your laptop. While Udemy primarily offers mobile applications for Android and iOS devices, this guide will also explore how to access your courses using a web browser and the option of using an emulator for the app if needed. First, it is important to check the app's availability. Udemy's mobile applications are designed for smartphones and tablets, which means that installing the app directly on a laptop is not the standard approach. If you prefer using the app, you may need to consider an emulator that allows mobile apps to run on a laptop. Next, open a web browser on your laptop. Popular options include Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is open, type in the Udemy website address in the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Udemy homepage where you can log into your account. After reaching the Udemy homepage, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click this button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will have access to your dashboard where all your enrolled courses are displayed. Now navigate to your learning dashboard. This section shows a list of all the courses you are currently enrolled in. Simply select the course you wish to study by clicking on its title. This action will open the course page, allowing you to start watching the lectures and accessing all course materials. Using a web browser provides full access to Udemy course features on your laptop, including quizzes, downloadable resources, and discussion boards. If you choose to explore using an emulator for the mobile app, ensure that your laptop meets the necessary system requirements and has sufficient storage space to accommodate the emulator and the Udemy app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.